Hi, long time no see. Then we put a sticker cream on before makeup. Because autumn and winter are really dry. Then this time I haven't seen it for a long time to cover up a flaw. This step is mainly improve our uneven skin tone. And then there are some comparisons. Hard to hide blemishes. Like my nose is red. Then cover your face with a dark complexion. Some more obvious redness. This will really affect the look and feel of the light. Then use a light complexion. Cover the dullness around our lips. So whole, this face will look whiter. How does the base makeup look like? Cleaner. Then the amount of liquid foundation is about this. This time I used a side. Makeup holding liquid foundation. This foundation brush doesn't work very well, then use a puff. This time with wet puff. This time the puff is wet. If it is the makeup effect, you will be biased. The feeling of being light and a little shiny. It still works. Then use a fig colored one. What is this blush cream called? Then rub it on your hand. Then on the face. If it is shot like this, it will be more. Nature. But it seems that the area I put on this time is a bit. It's too big. Not well controlled. But fortunately, this color is a comparison. Nature. It's very similar to the kind of complexion that people are born with. Okay. Otherwise, if you change it to another color, I guess it's over. Then set the makeup lightly. Until the skin feels slippery to the touch. Must be fixed. And here I first use a water eyebrow pencil. Probably filled with a little hair. Glue comes out. Just follow my own eyebrows. Then the overall eyebrows. Today's drawing will be a little shorter than mine before. It's extended a bit, maybe? Wrap a little bit of my eyes. Okay, let's take out our eyebrow dye cream. Brush the overall black eyebrows brown. Then to our grooming section. You can do the grooming part this time. At your own discretion, reduce it a little bit. The steps are still the same as before, but not like me. I feel a little lighter this time. Will be more every day. First pinch the nose into a rhombus shape. Then again, deepen our mountain roots here. It's basically rubbing. Then rub it again. Just draw a small C like this. The bridge of the nose. Connect it to the root of the mountain. Then start smudging. Scan the back of the nose with the side of the brush. In fact, this step, nose shadow, is more natural here. You don't need to continue to deepen, okay? Bring our fish meal. Eye base. Just make a little bottom between the eyelid and the lower eyeshadow. There is a little color, so I used it here, and this time I used a puff, but personally, I don't recommend that you use a puff. Brightened in this side, well, it won't be easy to shoot. It may not be so easy to see in the lens, but in real life you can obviously see. It's the 3 lines you and I drew just now. Will he have some more obvious ones? Like here. This obvious mark will not be easy to take a picture of. Everyone has the conditions to use a brush. Or take a little less powder. Don't take as much as I do. It's better to take less powder and then shoot directly for the meeting. From the face, then use a large slope brush. Deepen our outline a little. I usually rarely repair the outer contour. Unless you say like me, today I feel the base makeup is a little bit overall too white. I'll fix the large area on the side. Just deepen that 3-dimensional shadow. The silhouettes are all embroidered in a large area. The deepest stroke is on the jawline. Here. Cheekbones go all the way here. Rub the direction of the hairline. Knead it in and use this plate today. This plate works really well. Use a light color to base a large area first. This step is to make the back. Put on your other eyeshadow. Can smudge more naturally. Then use another one. What color is this? Dark color. Add a little color to the eyelids. It's the kind of makeup that's very everyday and perfect for commuting. Then this is mainly to deepen. Lower eyeshadow second half, then bring a little more to the front. Note that we changed the small brush here. Then use a small brown with an orange hue. I don't know what I'm talking about. To deepen the roots of our lashes. Close to the base of the eyelashes. Part and then just deepen here. Just the second half. Here is a fan-shaped double eyelid sticker. I see no. In this shape. Perfect for that. Internal and external. Inner double baby. Then mascara base, no more. Upper and lower eyelashes have to be brushed. Here is brush mascara. Then here with that brown, light brown. Eyeliner pen. Give it a rough outline first. Does it not look good? It's actually because it's a little too light in color. Then keep aiming. Try to pull it down flat and follow yours. Just pull it in the direction of the eyes. Then deepen it a little bit here. Eyes with us. Eyelid lower extremities. Here, use a brush to brush him a little bit. Brush it open a little bit, brush it naturally a little bit. Don't make his lines so real. Yes, and bring our Eyeshadow Sal, by the way. Eyeshadow Sal, we still use the other half. There is no color written here. It's this one anyway. The 2 lettuce colors inside. One painting the Eyeshadow Sal and the other painting the brightened part. Then eye makeup like this. It's actually really good. You can choose not to. It's okay not to stick false eyelashes. Then this one has a little powder off. Very advanced one. Pearlescent. Eyeshadow Saliva 2. Just put it in the middle. Then a false eyelash is added here. but I think you can add it. I think it's fine without it. Then use a light brown. Then eyeliner pen. If you check for omissions and fill in the gaps, draw the eyelashes. Don't hit too hard. Put the tip of the pen up and draw. It's up to you to make up for the tea leak one by one. Make up a little bit wherever it's empty. Draw less. Then fill us in. Just the second half of this eyeliner. Mix it with this color. This is a more pink color. It suits the color of Olive's skin. Unexpected fit. Then apply it to him in a small area. The bridge of the nose, the shadows, you have to bring a little bit of everything. Oh, by this flash touch looks good. Then draw our lip liner. Or draw that half pack. This Xiao Yu cannot draw everyone. This Xiao Yu cannot draw. When I see other people drawing, I always want to draw a little. I don't know why. But I don't need to change because among me. It's not too long, but it's okay among me. And use this little brush on the other end. Smudge it. Naturally smudged. No clear boundaries. And then here's this blush. To blur his boundaries further. This step can also be omitted. I don't feel the need. Then put on a more pink one. A lipstick with a more pink tone. Apply the whole mouth. Then use a cotton swab. Still the same. Blur the lip line. Use this one. A little brighter lip glaze. Apply the upper lip with a dot coating. Or put. Blur the lip line. Don't have too solid the color of this lip glaze to stay. Lift up the lip line and then cut the corners of the eyes to brighten. Oh, why do I like to say so much and then can't say anymore? By the way, light up the tear ditch. Here with pearlescent highlights to brighten the pen. Tip. You can also bring a little on the bridge of the nose. Rub it evenly with your fingers. Eyes too. It's also a little paint. Then again, draw small C point paint small c. Here comes my favorite spot. 3 moles. A little too much. The general makeup effect is like this. Bye bye, spread your wings.